Lamar Wilson.
How you doing? Good to see you. Lamar Wilson here. Back for another video, back for another unboxing. Now, these pops, I have 6 of them to unbox for you. I've been sitting here for the last 10 minutes trying to remember where I bought them from because I can't remember. Like, I was like, who was I with? My best answer is I stopped at GameStop on my way to another store. All right, so let's get started with my childhood. We're gonna start, we'll just put these out together. I got the Tom and Jerry. Now, these were a Funko exclusive as a 2-pack a few Wednesdays ago. And of course, I woke up late and missed it. And so I was a little disappointed. And some of you all said, where's the Tom and Jerry, Lamar? Well, I found them. So I really do like the box art. It's showing, as you can see, like aspects of the cartoon. It's a shame for me to have to blow up this box, but you know how I do. That's so good. Oh boy, okay, you know what? He and I are kindred spirit. Except for those devil eyes. Oh my God. And that's how he looks in the back. There's no stand for these. Let me see how they hold up. Okay, he stands fairly well. So we'll just kind of leave him right there. Anyway, so there's Jerry. He's holding his cheese. He looks like someone from the Night of the Living Dead, except with no eyes. Yeah, there you go. And put you right next to Tom, like childhood right there. Let's see. Oh, something else from childhood. I might, since I'm in that theme. This is from Pop Television. Guys, I couldn't find the whole set. This is the only one I had from the series, but I found Sherry and Terry. Pee-wee's Playhouse. I don't know if you remember Pee-wee's Playhouse. If you're my age, of course you know Pee-wee's Playhouse, or even a little younger. But no. So on the back, it tells you, so you can get, yes, you see the ones I have here. There's 2 in this box. You have Pee-wee, you have Miss Yvonne. I don't know why I forgot her name. And so, yeah, this looks like those. So I couldn't find Pee-wee, I couldn't find Miss Yvonne. Eventually, at some point, I might get them. I'm not trying to do complete sets. I like to go on a hunt and just see what I can get. So 2 in here, huh? See, that's the one I was concerned about. I thought that flew away because, here's a pterodactyl. Get it? Terry. This is probably the most original pop I have ever seen. Like that is, as far as just originality goes, that is so cool. It has those chair stands, and it stands. You can see there. That's so cool. Oh, and here's Terry. Okay, I'm gonna have to do that beauty guru thing where you get really close. There you go. There you go. Just like the beauty gurus do, except they don't drop their stuff like I did. So this next one, I won't say is from, well, the next, you know what, let me do this together. I'll do kind of an interesting one. This is from the Venom series. You're not cooperating. Where are you? Do you have your own stand or something? How were you supposed to be? No stand came in. I guess we'll just lean you in the chair. Like, that's a weird one to not have something to prop it up. Anyway, from the Venom movie series, so far you're probably already see what this is. I have the Gwenom, was Gwen and Venom kind of did stuff, and Kid came out, and then there was this one, Venom, the Gwenom. So now this is a Venomized Captain America that I saw. Now I do have Captain America up there, but like I saw this one, I was like, man, that just looks so cool. So I decided to get it. And some of the other ones, Venomized Captain America, as I mentioned, there's regular Venom, Venomized Iron Man, Carnage, and Venomized Hulk, which I've seen Top Pops talk about the Venomized Hulk, I believe, and I really wanted that one. So if I have to try to find that one. So yeah. Oh Lord. Okay. Oh, that's right. Bobblehead. It's a bobblehead, baby. There you go. Oh God, it looks like it's my head. It's my head on that. Oh man, that'd be a great thumbnail. So I won't call these last 2 my childhood because they were not. I think I started watching whenever the first 2 Nami came out, early 2000s. I would say with Dragon Ball Z and then Dragon Ball when they were growing up. So that whole series, but these are the Dragon Ball Z series. I've seen every single Dragon Ball Z. And then the only ones I haven't caught up with are the latest ones. But yeah, these are the 2 I found. I know there's Goku and I know there's God. And I know all that. Again, I was at the store just grabbing random ones. So these are the ones I have. Oh, I just realized this is a 2-in-1 right here. I'm taking my time here because I forgot how to pronounce his name. Chiaotzu? I hope Tien and Chiaotzu. I hope I probably jacked his name up. So there you go. So in this particular series, there's also a Master Roshi, a Gohan in his training outfit, and a Bulma, as you can see in the back. Obviously, there's more to the whole Dragon Ball Z series, but these are the ones they put on the back. So very cool. That's 2-in-1 here. So you kind of want to be. I kind of failed in that one. Okay, so this is Tien. Again, 3 eyes. It just really stands out how scary he looks, and very cool, very cool. You put you there, and I forgot his name already. Chaoza. He's so cute though. Then they didn't even put a stand in here. But well, you know, these little tiny ones, they actually don't put stands. Okay, got a beauty guru this. Got a beauty guru, cause I ain't got time to do no B-roll, even though it just take 10 seconds to do. There you go. Let me put him here. Yeah. Okay, you just stay right there. He's so cute. Oh my God, look at. All right, so the last one, actually. Come on. Okay, you. I know this is very inappropriate, but you stay right there. The last one is actually Master Roshi, and so I found him, and I like him because his eyes work, because he has glasses on. Ow! I hit the wrong. Master Roshi, you looking like you're toasty. Master Roshi, got your shell in the back. Looking like a teenage mutant ninja turtle. Heroes in a half shell. Gohan power. So down there, I decided, because, you know, these are the animated ones, I said, hey, I'm just going to put Tom and Jerry there. I put Cherry here. I might move that one eventually. And that little one, it just cannot stand on its own. Shame on you. And so Tien and Chaoza, Chaozu, I know I pronounced you wrong. I'm sorry. I'll put him right there with Master Roshi. He seemed to fit really cool back there. I know I should put him next to him, but I had the little ones are right there. So I was going to put them in the same row because I can. Like, it doesn't really matter. And then, okay, well, I'm going to have to do something with this because there aren't any Star Wars ones that I'm really into right now. And there's only 4 of them up here. So I might move one of those rows down there up one. Or put those down there and put the little, what, Ushis, I was gonna say, what's the name of these? Put the Ushis right here, maybe collect a few more of those. So I might do something like that. But right now I'm in a rush, so I don't have time to fix it now, so don't get on me about stuff like that. So there you go, and then that's the Captain American Venomized. So there you go, kind of a wide angle. Hey, how you doing up there? Okay, and there you go. In the comments, if you'd like to give suggestions of pops that you check out, not based on you, based on what you know, if you watched even 20-30 videos, you probably got a good sense of things I'm into. But I'm also always trying new stuff, so you probably don't know exactly what I like. Like when I did the Kingdom Hearts video, there were some people in the comments that was like really surprised I played or I like Kingdom Hearts. That's like, yeah, I realized you all don't know more than 3 or 4% about me. Like I don't. So I realized that. So I'm not sure how to fix that. But anyway, if you think I would like some that I haven't covered yet, or you know want to fill out over there, let me know in the comments. I appreciate it, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.